Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Whether you're into African folk tales, storytelling, AI content creation, cooking, travel, lifestyle, fashion, tech, education, or even football podcasts, one thing we all need is an eye-catching thumbnail. And if you've ever struggled to design professional thumbnails quickly, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a powerful tool that creates high-quality, professional, and modern thumbnails in just minutes. No stress at all. Stick around till the end, especially if you run a football podcast, because I'll also share a quick hack to keep up with Premier League highlights while staying creative and professional. The tool we'll be using is Google Cloud Media Studio. Specifically, the Imagen tool for AI image generation. I already made a full video on how to access Imagen. Check the pinned comment for that tutorial. So I'll skip the setup and jump straight in. Once you're inside Imagen, simply paste your prompt. If you don't have one, just go to ChatGPT and ask for a professional thumbnail prompt. For example, here's a general structure you can use. A highly engaging, modern, and colorful YouTube thumbnail in bold cinematic style. Clean layout, vibrant colors, dynamic lighting, and essential space for main subject. Add big, bold text, short title. Optimized for YouTube click-through. If you don't have any thumbnail ideas, ask ChatGPT to suggest 3 to 5 options based on your video title. Then pick one and request a refined prompt tailored for Imagen or whichever AI tool you're using. For instance, I created a folktale thumbnail by asking ChatGPT for a design of a boy with glowing eyes. It suggested options, I chose one, and ChatGPT wrote a professional thumbnail prompt. I copied that into Imagen, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, selected two results to save tokens, and hit generate. The results? Clean, colorful, and professional thumbnails with text spelled correctly. You can also rescale for sharper images. Let me quickly generate a few for travel vlog, cooking vlog, podcast, fashion, education. All look fantastic. Now for football podcasts. Let's say Arsenal won against United 1-0. I asked ChatGPT to include that score in the prompt. Imagen generated a template thumbnail, which means you can edit and replace the placeholders later. That's where Canva comes in. You import the template into Canva, drag out the text, and use the magic grab tool to remove placeholder images. Then replace them with the real players or images you want. Adjust filters, add blur, fine-tune text, and boom, you've got a polished thumbnail. Here's the before and the after. Clean, professional, and ready to upload. And that's it. Now you know how to create professional, high-impact thumbnails quickly with Imagen and Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tips. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching,
and I'll see you in the next video.